Hi guys, how are you? So today's video is a get ready with me. I'm getting ready today, bringing you guys along this makeup look right here. So I'm heading out to celebrate Sebastian's 32nd birthday. For those who are new and don't know who Sebastian is, that is my fiance. We've been together for 12, almost 13 years, and we get married next year. We're so excited. But today we're celebrating him, and I wanted to get glam with you guys. It has been a while since I've done a full sit down makeup tutorial, get ready with me, and this look is perfect. Like, I don't know about you guys, but I am feeling these halo eyes. I used to do this kind of look all the time, but it's been so long. It just feels good to like tap back into the halo roots. So if that sounds good to you guys, I would love for you to continue watching. If you are new, please subscribe, please join the family. And without further ado, let's get into the video. It is a big deal tonight if I'm starting this video with a mask, especially a mask like this, not just a shape mask, but an actual mask. This is a new one I'm trying out from Sand and Sky. Let me actually go get it. It is the Australian Pink Clay. It's a 4-in-1 treatment mask, so it's targeted to like draw impurities and toxins from the skin. When I put it on, I immediately felt like a tingling sensation. Now that it's drying up, like the tingling's gone, it almost feels cooling on the skin. I think it's working. I want to point out something that you guys are going to notice throughout the video, and that is my hands. First of all, my nails, aren't they so cute? But most importantly, my hands. So long story short, I self-tan all the time. However, whatever self-tanner products I use for my face, I never use on my face. I decided to try a new product out and forgot to wash my hands. So this is a result of it, and this is 3 days later. I've been washing my hands, scrubbing them every day. I have put every product on here to possibly remove this, and it will not come off. However, my body tan, Bondi Sands. If you guys need a good self-tanner, I highly recommend that one. It leaves me so bronzy and golden. Anyways, loving the tan. I gotta go wash this, so I will be back in a few seconds. Pores are non-existent. Definitely reduce the size of them. Skin feels soft. Moving on now, I'm gonna try out this new product from McGrath. This is the Divine Rose Essence 001. It is like a milky consistency that you just gotta shake up. We're gonna do a couple drops onto my hands and press it in. I'm gonna go next with this Absolute Soft Creme. This is my favorite moisturizer. This one also has the rose scent to it. It actually has rose extracts in there, but it is, like, to me, the most luxurious cream out there. I love this because it leaves my skin extremely hydrated, but it's also lightweight, so it's not like a super heavy cream, and just plush, absolute plush on the skin. I'm gonna go in with my Benefit, precisely my brow eyebrow pencil, to shade in my brows. This is my problem. My brow at the moment has gotten thinner and has just become a problem. Best way to explain it, but thankfully this brow pencil saves my eyebrows. I'm actually grabbing a little bit of Powmade, also from Benefit, and this brush from Dose of Colors. And this will add just those extra hair-like hairs to the front. I'm gonna pop on now an eyeshadow base from Domonique Cosmetics. This is the Everlasting Eye Base. So I'm gonna blend this out with this brush from Real Techniques. I think it was limited edition, but I like it for spaces like this because it's kind of bigger and blends it out a lot quicker. For my eyes, I'm gonna be using this palette from Morphe. It's the VaVa Bloom. It came out just a few months ago, or maybe a month ago, but this has all the pinks and mauves that you need for a look like this. I'm gonna go in with this color first and kind of make that like the transition all over color for the eyelid. So you're gonna wanna start this on the corner of the eye, into the crease, and then blend out. With the same brush, I'm gonna grab a little more and then now place it also on the inner corner of the eye. Just kind of make sure you leave the center part open. We gotta make this a little bit more smokier. I'm gonna mix this color and this one together. I'm gonna use a little flat brush first. Start it on the lash line and then kind of create kind of like a little crease. I lied, we're gonna take to this color. Okay, much better, there we go. I'm gonna take that blending brush that I first used and start to work it up and out. I'm gonna grab that dark shade and also add it to the inner corner. I don't wanna go any higher than that. And you're gonna now go over that color and flick up. And what it's doing is diffusing that color, but creating the shape like this. For the lid color, I'm gonna be going in with the shade and I'm gonna pop it just right in the center, lightly let it travel up. Today I'm kind of going outwards. You're gonna notice I'm tilting back more, and I'm just kind of placing it more diagonal versus directly in the center. I'm gonna pick up next my liquid eyeliner, and I'm gonna be using the Lancome Ultra Precise Waterproof Eyeliner. And we're gonna be doing a line, both inner and outer, but we're gonna do the out part first and then the inner part in just a bit. And then once I got the line on, I'm gonna lightly tap it towards the front of the eye. All you gotta do is press and it will stamp it. I'm gonna grab a wipe and just lightly pull the line out, and that's just gonna give it like an extra sharp wing. We're gonna move now into the lashes. Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. Why didn't anybody tell me this was an amazing drugstore mascara? Like, I'm actually so impressed with the mascara, but also so sad that it's been out for years and just now discovering it. One of my favorite mascara at the moment happens to be from Bare Minerals, and it is the Maximus mascara. Holy moly, that leaves my eyelashes to my eyebrows. The only reason I'm using this is because I actually ran out of the mascara, and I told myself that I need to slow down on buying makeup, try other things out, discover new products, and expand in products. So that's what I've kind of been doing. It's very hard, trust me, because I mean, who doesn't get tempted when they go to Ulta, Target, or Sephora? I do, 1000%. I'm gonna pop these lashes on. The hardest part of this look is done, which is the eyes. So we're now gonna move on to the rest of the face. I'm gonna be using a new product underneath my eyes from Ren Beauty. This is the Cooling Blurring Under Eye Balm. Is it me, or do you guys see a difference? That definitely did some smoothing. Kind of gives me the vibes and finish of a primer. You know when you put on, for example, like Smashbox Photo Finish, so blurred, that's exactly what this just did. If you have dry under eyes, I'm gonna recommend that you hydrate your under eyes first, then move in with this. Wow. I'm gonna move in now with the Willa Hendriksen Banana Bright Sunkissed Primer. This is a newer version of the existing one that they had. It still has the banana powdered pigment in here, vitamin C, but it also has a little bit of a self tanner. Because of this, I'm gonna go wash my hands. For my foundation, this is what I pulled out that I wanted to wear today. Obviously not all of them. I do want to go for more of a fuller coverage look tonight, so I'm gonna wear the Airbrush Flawless Finish from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm just gonna do one pump. I think I'm gonna mix a little bit of my Nars Light Reflecting Foundation. I wanted to do this one, but I don't think it's gonna match. I think this is the better option, so I'm gonna go with this one, Stromboli. So I'm doing that because the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless is very, very thick. It has amazing coverage, but it can be a little drying compared to like the Hollywood Flawless Filter or any foundation I'm wearing at the moment in general. I've been definitely more into luminous foundations, but sometimes I do want a little bit more coverage, especially for like a night event. For that reason, I wanted to mix both of them and kind of make my own little cocktail. I wear foundation that I find it to be maybe too mattifying, a drop of light reflecting foundation, Ilia skin serum, anything like that will dilute it and make it a little bit more luminous on the skin. I'm going to be using my current favorite concealer that I'm loving so much from Dior. This is the Flash Perfector Concealer, and I'm going to use this in the shade 1W. I want my concealer bright today. So this has medium coverage on here. It also has a natural finish, which is great for the under eye area, so it's not going to look heavy or cakey. I've been using this for like my daytime looks, also for nighttime as well, but daytime, oh, it's honestly perfection. So I'm going to use this pretty much on the areas that I want to bring light to. Taking it now, my beauty blender, I'm gonna go ahead and press where the concealer's at and then lightly work to the side, connecting it to the outer part of the concealer. And just like that, it looks amazing. And then just keep on blending. I'm gonna now set the skin. I'm gonna use the One Size powder. This is the Turn Up the Base Versatile Powder Foundation. So it can be used as a foundation as well, but I'm gonna use it to set my skin, especially underneath the eyes. I'm obsessed. Okay, I'm gonna grab my good old Laura Mercier. I'm still a fan of this powder. Like, I use other things in between, but ride or die, holy grail, this powder right here. This powder has never steered me the wrong way, has never done me dirty. The overall finish that this does on my skin and my makeup and the longevity and the way it wears is mind-blowing. As you can see, I take it pretty in, especially for like my under eyes, because that's the area that I don't want to move. I could care less if anything else fades. As long as this area stays put, stays bright, stays smooth, I'm good. I forgot I was gonna use this new blush today. Next video. But I do actually have some new blushes to show you guys from Benefit. I don't know if you guys saw, but they launched 11 new blushes, and I brought a couple of the ones that I wanted to wear with this look. I'm thinking Willa is gonna be perfect. She's kind of like a mauvey, dusty rose. Miss Willa. I don't know if you guys remember this, but there was a moment in my life where I actually did not like blush. I thought it looked really ugly on me. And now I can't even imagine getting ready without blush in my life. I'm gonna try out this new black eyeliner from FentyBeauty. It's a pencil eyeliner, and I love anything that I can sharpen. I don't know why, they just work better for me. It's my first time trying this out. I'm gonna grab now one of the shadows that I used on top and start tapping it over. The shadow is key over this eyeliner, especially if you want to prevent any kind of bleeding. Since I haven't used this eyeliner, I don't know if it bleeds, so we don't want that to happen. So just in case, it's better to be safe than sorry. MAC Fix Plus, still one of my favorites. T-minus 1 hour to finish off this look, this video, this hair, just get it all together. I'm now gonna do the inner corner eyeliner. So if you're new to adding eyeliner like this at the inner corner of your eye, it could be a little intimidating. So I recommend starting off with a brush like this. This is also from MAC, it's 209. And I'm gonna grab the first transition shade that I used, and I'm just going to do a line right there. Like all we're doing is just guiding the eye because powder is easier to clean up than liquid liner. Now I'm gonna go in with the darker shade. Once again, just going over what I just did. And then now that we have the guidance on there, I'm gonna take in the liquid eyeliner. I love it. And then now back in with my Lash Paradise. Last, I'm gonna add a little bit of highlight down the center of my nose. This is from Dior. It's the Backstage Glow Face Palette in 02 Glit. And then from there, just a light bit of highlight throughout the skin so that we are luminous everywhere and not just like in the center. And that is it. Oh, the lips. Oh my goodness, how did I forget the lips? We're gonna be doing kind of a new lip combo, still using brown. So I'm gonna be using these two lip pencils. First one is from Jaclyn Hill in the shade Coffee Cake, and then Foxy Brown from Charlotte Tilbury. And then London. Oh, if you guys don't have London, please get this in your life. All right, here's the finish on my makeup look. So now we gotta get this hair together. It is time to move forward. I think for tonight's look, I'm gonna be doing curls. So I'm gonna use my GHG Curve Soft Curl Iron for this. And it's gonna give me the cutest curls you're gonna see right now. I don't know, I kinda like the idea of this, like more coming in, like inward. Almost like a curled blowout. So as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we are celebrating Sebastian's birthday. The location where we are celebrating it at is pretty chill. It's a local bar, and I love it because it's not too fancy. Like it's not your typical LA bar. It's just a regular bar here in the Valley. For the vibes tonight, Sebastian has his friend coming who's gonna be DJing. Obviously friends and family. There's gonna be food. I was thinking about taking the camera to vlog, but knowing me, I might misplace it or lose it. So I'm gonna leave the camera here and actually place it next to the bed. And then just vlog whatever I can on my phone to implement it to the video. Sometimes I would love a videographer to come with me to any events because man, the amount of content that I could get would be amazing. I think I have to start thinking about that for future events for sure. There we go. Gonna go in with the Living Proof Dry Volumes Texture Spray. And then so the hair is done, and I'm not sure exactly how I'm gonna style it. I don't know if I wanna leave it down, if I wanna put it up, if I wanna pin it back, but I need to get into my outfit first, and then from there I can kind of decide and I can kind of see like what I need to do. So let's get into the outfit. This is what I'm gonna wear tonight. I have these cute cargo pants and then this super cute top from H&M. And I don't know what shoes I'm gonna do just yet, but I wanna put this on and then kind of see where to go. All right guys, so here is the finish on the look. Back out to show you guys the entire fit. So let's do a little fit check. The top is H&M. The bottoms are from Shop Mala, a small business with the cutest clothes. Necklace from Miss Lola. These earrings from Jaclyn Roxanne. Obviously you guys know the beat. I'm going with platforms. Cargo and platforms. Never thought it'd work, but it looks cute. And yeah, that is the vibe tonight. Please pray for me that I don't become too shock Karen the first like 30 minutes I'm there. But I'm excited to get down to the bod and start celebrating, so let's go. Wow, I am probably the worst vlogger because I didn't bring you guys along to the party yesterday. The vibes were immaculate. So we're gonna go to get my discos, hoping they'll wake us up. We'll see how everyone's doing. No, thank you.